Hi, my name's John Hood. I'm the practice manager at Hall Green Health. This video is to show you what to expect when you come for your COVID vaccination at some point this weekend. Hi, so we're now in the car park of Hall Green Health. So when you park up your car, what's important to remember is to come through the side entrance. The front entrance that you would normally use is for patients to exit. So if you just want to follow me, what you'll do is you'll come to a marquee. And as you can see, the marquee is lit and heated. So we can try and keep you as warm as possible. The plan will be to get this moving as quickly as possible. So as you come through, you'll always stay at least 1 metre apart. And you'll snake all the way around until you come to the main door in reception. Now when you get to reception, there'll be a receptionist that's ready to take your temperature and ask you a few questions.
Hi, are you here for your coronavirus test?
Yes.
Vaccination?
Yes.
Yeah. And I just need to take your temperature quickly. So, there we go. Thank you. And you've not had any symptoms of coronavirus in the last 14 days?
No.
No, fab. Okay, if you just want to come in, we'll get you checked in. So I'm just going to need to get your date of birth, please. And your name, please. Thank you. If you just get this leaflet, and if you can just take a seat in the queue for me, a clinician will call you through shortly.
So what you'll see when you come into the building is there's going to be 2 queues and you'll be placed into one or the other. What you can see is that there's yellow lines across the floor and you'll be put into one of those queues, and there are seats along the way, so if you are struggling, please do feel free to take a seat. You will be offered a wipe when you come through, so if you are moving and transferring from seat to seat, please do remember to wipe it down in between. As you come through the queues, you'll be ushered to shift along, and you'll see there's lots of seats in the middle, which we'll explain in a moment. As you get to this point, at one of the doors, either at this section or the other, you'll be called through by one of our clinicians. So if you just follow me.
Hi, if you can just come this way for me, please.
And you'll be taken into one of our clinical rooms.
Okay, if you can just take a seat. At this point, you're going to have your history taken, and we're going to check that you're eligible for the vaccine and that there's not going to be any side effects. We'll talk you through it, we'll get you vaccinated, and then we'll escort you out, and you'll be monitored for 15 minutes just to make sure that everything's okay.
So as soon as you're done, you'll come out to the main reception area, and someone will give you one of the seats in the main area. It could be in this area or in the other main area. The important thing to remember, if you just want to follow me, is that you need to stay in the building for 15 minutes post your vaccination. There will be tomorrow a clock that's here, so you'll see exactly what time it is, and you'll be given a piece of paper that tells you what time you had your vaccination. It's really, really important that that you stay in that seat until your 15 minutes is up. There will be people wandering around, and if you do feel unwell, please do make sure you alert someone.